Dreaming of your next getaway but your wallet's saying not yet? Let's unlock those travel plans now by showing you how to use Klarna to book your flights and spread the cost. First, head to your favorite flight booking website like Expedia, Kayak, or directly to the airline's website. Search for your desired flights, dates, and destinations as you normally would. Once you've found the perfect flight itinerary, proceed to the checkout page. This is where the magic happens. Look for Klarna among the payment options. It's usually listed alongside credit cards and other payment methods. If you don't see it immediately, you might need to click on a More Payment Options or similar button. Select Klarna. You'll be redirected to Klarna's website or a pop-up window will appear here. You'll choose your payment plan. Klarna usually offers several options, like for interest-free installments or longer-term financing with interest. You'll need to provide some personal information and agree to Klarna's terms and conditions. Make sure you read everything carefully so you fully understand the repayment schedule and any associated fees. After you're approved, Klarna will confirm your payment plan and your flight booking will be finalized. You'll receive a confirmation email from both the airline or booking site and Klarna. Download the Klarna app to easily manage your payments. You can view your payment schedule, make early payments, and even set up automatic payments to avoid missing any due dates. Now, pack your bags and get ready for takeoff. You've officially unlocked your travel dreams with Klarna.